Hi, I'm Gidi Freud from Lightrun, and I want to show you a very cool new AI skill we've just released for your coding agents. With it, Cursor Codex Claude Code can automatically take error signals from any observability tool, like Sentry, Datadog, or New Relic, and investigate them with live runtime evidence from Lightrun. The skill tells your coding agent exactly how to approach any investigation, what to check, and how to use Lightrun correctly. So when an error fires, your AI places a snapshot at the failure point to deliver root cause analysis and propose a validated fix to your engineers. In this demo, I'll show you how it looks when Cursor, Sentry, and Lightrun, as well as GitHub, are all working as one. Okay, we start clean. There are no errors in Sentry for the last hour. I'm going to manually trigger one to show you how this works, but in reality, there's no manual investigation required. This is all automated. Creating a pattern that doesn't conform, and we have a block list pattern is invalid, and there it is. So the Sentry has flagged that there's a block list pattern that is invalid, it's an error, and it's flagged it up to us. Now the block list is actually working exactly as designed, so we need to understand why this is occurring. Now, in the Cursor Automatic Remediation error skill, you can see the setup. There's a Cursor automation that monitors Sentry for new errors every 10 minutes, and that which runs the Lightrun error remediation skill on each one. And connected are Sentry, Lightrun MCP, GitHub, and Cursor's own memory, so the investigation state persists across runs. When the error comes in, Cursor reads the skill, runs a Lightrun pre-flight, and pulls the error from Sentry. It traces the stack and reads the actual source code from GitHub. Now the code shows that the backend has intentionally thrown this exception for an invalid input, but it's expected behavior. So Cursor knows that it's not a bug. It places a Lightrun snapshot at the exact throw site in the live service, persists its investigation state, and stops. The next time that this error occurs, the snapshot captures the live runtime state. Cursor retrieves it and matches it against the source code to reach a conclusive diagnosis. The snapshot hits at exactly the same point in exactly the same time as the Sentry error. From the source code, it's able to understand that the validation logic was correct all along. But the exception handler was blindly forwarding every exception to Sentry, including the expected info level failures that were never meant to be errors. What's left is for Cursor to write a precise fix and open a pull request. And this is what lands in your engineer's queue. A PR backed by real production evidence. The diagnosis, the data, and the fix all in one place. They're not starting an investigation. Your engineers are reviewing a conclusion. And that's the Lightrun error remediation skill.